inside the box, the most powerful Redmi phone ever, K90 Pro Max. Let's open it. One free Xiaomi AirPods SE earphone. One free Xiaomi SIM card. And the phone itself, K90 Pro Max. Inside the box, the phone itself, 100-watt charger, 6A cable, and one phone case. This case is made of TPU material and is same as the one from the Xiaomi 14. Honestly, it's better than the one from Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. This one gets slippery when your hands are sweaty. Okay, let's look at the phone. It has a 6.9-inch OLED 2K display supporting 120 Hz refresh rate, 3500 peak brightness, very clear even under strong sunlight. It can go down to 1 nit at night to protect your eyes. It also supports ultrasonic fingerprint unlock. Even your screen or your hands are wet, it can still unlock your phone. The phone is big, but very comfortable to hold. Look at the back. The color is like your jeans. Look at here. There are 350 megapixel cameras supporting 8K videos, but the front camera is only 32 megapixel. Enough, but a bit low. Look at here. Sound by Bose. Most of the phones only have 2 speakers, but this one has 3. The sound is amazing. Now look here. The speakers are tuned by Bose. Now look here. The sound by Bose. Most of the phones have only 2 speakers, but this one has 3. The sound is amazing. Honestly, I think it's better than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you love music, this is the one for you. The sound is special for this phone. It packs a 7560 mAh battery, supporting 100-watt fast charging. Now, for the most important part, inside it has a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This is probably the cheapest phone you can get with this chip. Okay, let's sum it up. Best processor, best sound, nice camera, good screen. All for that, only 4,000 RMB. So in this world, who else but Redmi give you that much for only 4,000? Follow me. Next video, I will compare the difference between K90 Pro Max and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max.